Welcome to my channel. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike has been designed to carry forward the long tradition of Honda's flagship touring machines while offering a trike experience that adds safety, balance, and accessibility for a wider range of riders. This model stands as a bridge between two-wheel freedom and three-wheel confidence, bringing together classic engineering with modern comforts. Riders who may have hesitated to take on the full size of the Goldwing in its two-wheel form can now enjoy the same prestige and power with the added stability of a trike format, which opens the door to longer journeys without fatigue or worry about balance at lower speeds. At the heart of the machine sits the familiar 1833cc liquid-cooled flat-six engine. This engine has been the soul of the Goldwing lineup for years, known for its vibration-free nature and strong, linear power delivery. In the trike form, the engine continues to offer abundant torque that makes highway cruising effortless and ensures that overtaking is never a concern. The flat-six layout also keeps the center of gravity low, which benefits handling and stability, something that pairs especially well with the three-wheel setup. This combination allows riders to take corners confidently while maintaining the luxurious smoothness that defines the Goldwing. Performance testing so far suggests that the trike maintains a comfortable balance of speed and safety. While it may not be designed as a racing machine, the ability to accelerate quickly to highway speeds and maintain them effortlessly is a key part of its appeal. Riders can expect smooth gear transitions thanks to Honda's advanced transmission systems, and the optional dual-clutch transmission further enhances ease of use. In everyday riding, it feels powerful without being overwhelming, prioritizing rider confidence and comfort over raw aggression. Honda has also placed a strong emphasis on technology and rider assistance in the 2026 Goldwing Trike. Features like hill start assist, electric reverse, and low-speed maneuvering aids ensure that riders can easily handle situations that might otherwise feel intimidating on such a large touring machine. The trike format further eliminates the need to balance during stops or sharp turns, creating an experience that feels far more welcoming to riders of different experience levels. Another standout aspect is the suspension system. The double wishbone front suspension, introduced in recent Goldwing models, continues here and provides impressive control and comfort even on rougher surfaces. Combined with a carefully tuned rear suspension setup adapted to the trike's wider stance, it creates a ride quality that remains plush and controlled, no matter how long the journey. Riders will appreciate how the suspension absorbs imperfections in the road while keeping the trike steady and responsive. Comfort has always been central to the Goldwing's reputation, and this trike does not disappoint. The seating is wide and supportive for both rider and passenger, while the layout encourages relaxed posture on long journeys. The windscreen is electrically adjustable and includes memory settings, making it easy to adapt airflow on the go. Add to that heated grips, heated seats, and ample weather protection, and you have a machine designed for year-round touring regardless of the climate. Storage capacity remains generous, which is critical for long-distance adventures. The trike offers multiple compartments and luggage solutions, giving both the rider and passenger plenty of space for gear, personal items, and travel necessities. Combined with the stability of the three wheels, it means you can comfortably carry more without feeling that the bike is overloaded or unbalanced. Touring riders will find this combination highly practical for extended trips. The infotainment system is another highlight, keeping riders connected without sacrificing safety. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless integration with smartphones for navigation, music, and calls. The large, easy-to-read display ensures that critical information is always clear, and the audio system provides crisp, powerful sound that can be enjoyed even at highway speeds. These tech features elevate the touring experience, blending luxury car convenience with motorcycle freedom. In terms of design, Honda has preserved the iconic Goldwing presence while giving the trike its own character. The bold front end, flowing bodywork, and aerodynamic touches make it unmistakably a Goldwing, while the wider rear stance introduces a commanding road presence. The craftsmanship in the materials and finishes reflects Honda's premium positioning, ensuring that it not only rides well but also turns heads wherever it goes. When it comes to maintenance and practicality, Honda's reputation for reliability means that the Goldwing Trike is expected to demand less frequent service compared to some competitors. The engine and electronics are proven, and the trike setup is engineered with durability in mind. This makes it an appealing choice for riders who want a worry-free ownership experience while enjoying the luxuries of one of the most advanced touring machines available. Price is a question that continues to linger as official announcements have not been made by Honda. Given that the standard Goldwing Tour already sits in the premium segment, it is reasonable to expect that the trike will carry a higher cost due to its additional engineering and unique configuration. Enthusiasts and potential buyers should anticipate pricing above the top-end Goldwing trims, positioning it as a luxury touring option for those who value both performance and comfort. Finally, while Honda has not officially revealed the launch date, industry expectations point toward late 2025 or early 2026 availability. This aligns with Honda's typical release cycles and the timeline of recent previews. Until then, fans of the Goldwing and Trike enthusiasts alike will be watching closely, as this model promises to redefine three-wheel touring by combining Honda's hallmark engineering with modern stability and luxury.